My people, watch this video and see what is happening in our country. This boy you are seeing here now, he's a boy of 18 years old. According to the story, the boy was sick and the mother took him to her pastor for the pastor to pray for him. So what this pastor did to this boy, I don't know how to start saying it. It's a very terrible thing. I don't know how to start. I'll let you watch the video. I will allow you to watch the video. But before I watch this video, I want to say something to every parent. As a parent, if your child refuses to go to a particular person, anytime you tell that child to go to this person, the child says no, listen to that child. Don't force that child to go there. There must be a reason. Anytime you want that child to go to a particular person, the child hesitates to go. Don't force that child. Let her be. Let her or let him be. Because there must be a reason for that. And for you children, try to be open to your parents. Try to be open, because if this boy had opened his mouth to say what happened on the first day, it wouldn't have continued. It wouldn't have gotten to this extent. But I don't know why children are like that. Such a thing happens. The children, they don't like to open mouth to say it. Maybe they are scared of being scolded at home. They don't want to be blamed, because some parents will blame them. If they hear such a thing, they will blame that child. Maybe they are scared of being blamed, so they will keep it to themselves until it will destroy a lot. Because if this guy had opened mouth earlier on, at least it wouldn't have gotten to this extent. So please, I want you to watch this video. This particular pastor was caught some time ago, about 4 years ago. Parara carried the news. He was doing one atrocity. They caught him. So how can Nigeria allow this man to still run a church?
My name is Inaria Ibivichu. I'm from Bayelsa State. I'm 18 years old. So last year, February, I was sick, so my mommy took me to a church, Lightway Ministry, which we all know as Prophet Melody at Jija. When we got there, that day I was very, very sick. I was even on drip. I was very weak. Then he told my mom that he had treatment for what was wrong with me, that he had solution to it, that he will use plantain, that red thing he planted, that grew plantain, to do medicine for me to calm the sugar level down. So that same day, he asked my mom to excuse us, that he had something that he want to tell me. As my mom excused us that day, then he was like, your eye is sexy. Wow, you don't say you be fine, boy. Then I was like, Prof, not be this kind of thing carry me come here. Then I called my mom that day, let's go. And told my mom that she come and see me in the office on Tuesday, which is a service. And I got there on Tuesday. When I got there on Tuesday, there was church service. Then he said I should wait to see him after the close. I waited till service ended. He said everybody should see him. I should be the last person to see him. Then everybody saw him that day. It was only me, Osha Benedita, and Pastor Kane in the church. Then I went inside the office to see him. Then he was sitting in the opposite chair. Then he said, how's your head? I said, I'm okay. He said, how's your body? I said, I'm fine. The next thing he asked me, are you tasty? I said, no. He said, okay, go and take water from the fridge. I took Eva water from the fridge. I drank the Eva water that day. After drinking the Eva water, I was now asking me, please, can I see your dick? I was like, why you want me to see? You want to see my dick? Why? You be guy man like me now. Why you go want to see my dick? He said, come on, shut up. You are washed, grow up. You my small picking. You be like picking to me. Come, open your that thing, make I see. We're now talking. He zipped my trouser down. He brought out my dick. Then he put it in his mouth that day. Then I was like, Prophet, stop now. This is not good. If my mommy find out, how she go fee? Now come out for the office that day. He did not give me the medicine. So I got home. He called me, are you home? I said, yes, I'm at home. He said, okay. The next, he said I should come and see me in the office. That was on Wednesday, which he has no service. He's the only one in the church that day, and Osha Benedita, and his cleaners there. So when I got to the church that day, he said I should pass through the back door to his office to come and meet him. I went inside. So when I entered inside the office that day, then when I go to the office that day, that he said I should take off my clothes. I was like, why now, Prophet? I said, Prophet, no now. I will tell my mom about these things. He said, take off your clothes. What thing you dey hide from me? I don't understand. You don't say you be my own pikin too. Take off your clothes. Before I say he started pulling my clothes, I was like, Prophet, no now. Prophet, no, stop. Then he took off my clothes. He slept with me that day. Then he told me, don't tell anyone. I should not hear this thing from anyone's mouth. And that I was a member of Friend then. Then he said, if you like, go and tell your pastor, Pastor Jomak, or anybody about this thing. I should not hear it from anyone mouth. Anybody mouth. Keep quiet. Then I went home that day. Then I was like, I was afraid. I was like, God, I want to tell person this thing. I want to tell everybody this thing when it happen. I can't fear. So then I left worry that period. I packed to Agbaru. So when I was in the Agbaru, I started sleeping, having dreams. I would see him in my dreams. He would drag me to that same office. He would sleep with me. After I wake up, I will not be myself. I will start scattering things, behaving as if I'm no longer normal anymore. Getting anger issue, getting quarrels into people without no reasons and reason. After I realized myself, I'll start begging everybody. Even everybody's complaining, I don't know you anymore. Everybody's complaining, you don't change, not be you be this. It didn't keep happening frequently. So what will make me brought the issue at which day here I went to charge my phone. Then I said, okay, let me go and sleep in my friend place. Then I slept there. I had the same dream again. When I woke up, the signs and reactions of everything was already happening. So I had to leave the boy house because I was afraid, let me know and scatter things there. Then I go to the house. When I go to the house that day, I started destroying things in my house, scattering them. Then I was like, God, this thing don't need worse. He said, on me to write this thing. I need to tell a person about this. And then I called my mom. I said, Mommy, hello, I get what I want to tell you. She said, okay, can't worry. Then I can't go worry. I can't tell her. She can't call everybody for our family tell. Because okay, I can't defense that decide they go meet the church, they go meet her. Everybody say no go, calm down. Now I tell my mom, say they're not the year from one person mat. Go to church, me a year from your side of the story too. Now we mash good daddy, me, my stepdad and my mom. So daddy went to the church. My mom went to meet him. They were discussing. They were like, Madam Esther, I want to thank you for not bringing this issue out. Thank God, my respect for you has increased. Thank God you came to confront me. And this that he was not denying that he did not do it and everything. I was still provoking. I was, God, I cannot let this man go because he did this thing to me now. Like he's now denying everything that I did not do anything. And now, so the next morning he went to NRA police station to lay complaint that I'm trying to fraud this name out of fear. So the DPO in NRA police station called me and was like, Diamond, we want to see you in the station. Then I said, okay, I will call to the station. Then my mom told me I was not feeling fine, I was not strong, so I was unable to go to the station the 2 times they called me. So let's start to come to the station today, that is Wednesday. So I'm preparing to go to the station, but before that I said I should let everyone know what's happening. In case anything happened to me, everyone should be aware of what happened to me. So now everybody have been calling him and telling him that he should leave the issue because my mom have been begging him that he should leave the issue because my mom said she don't have money for a case or money to continue this matter because he has money more than us and everything. Everybody has been calling and everything. My mom called, my dad even went to beg him in his church Sundays every day. Even my dad now had IPP pressure because of this whole matter and everything. Everybody has begging him, different pastors, because calm down and leave this issue, everything. He said no. He said because I don't have any evidence, he will take this matter to court, he will take matter to jail, that I'm blackmailing and everything. Then I said, okay, I have to come out and let everyone know now this is what is happening. Just because I don't have money to forward, because someone is oppressing me. This man is trying to take me down. He's oppressing me now because of